In case you don't know what a live photo is, they're images on iOS that contain video and audio data as well, so if you tap and hold on them, they play. The reason they're cool is because you have more frames to choose from as the key photo, but you can also keep small little videos of moments that you primarily want a photo of. On Android, a similar feature is called motion photos. Now, wouldn't it be fun to be able to convert short video clips into a live photo? Like something from the past before live photos, a short memory that you can keep as a photo, set it as your background, but when you tap and hold on it, it comes to life. Or me personally have a lot of short video clips that are actually just taking space, so I can turn all those to a smaller size live photo and free up some space. Well, the UniConverter 17 now has a feature that can do exactly that. With the live photo format in the converter tool, you can convert a video clip into a live photo. In this video, I'll show you how to do the conversion process, but before we begin, be sure to either download the UniConverter 17 from videoconverter.wondershare.com or upgrade your current version. Once you have the UniConverter 17 up and running, the converter tool is featured in the upper left corner of the application. So the converter tool supports batch conversion. So you can import as many video clips here as you want. You can either drag and drop the files or import them using the file browser. Next, let's choose the output format. Since we have only videos on the list, you can click down here and select the output format collectively. Live photo is an image format, so you'll find it under the image tab here. Now I'll just choose same as source for the resolution settings, since the clips on the list might have different native ones. Okay, now let's select an output folder by clicking right here. Finally, let's click on Convert All. The tool will start the process and get it done really fast. The result will be an image file and a video file within a folder. As the next step, import these folders into the Photos application on your Mac, and you'll see the folders being imported as single live photos, which then you can airdrop to your phone. Okay, here we go. Here is a photo. I tap and hold, and there plays the video. So did you find this helpful? If yes, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up on the video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.